And now we're gonna be releasing frustration. So before we begin, ask yourself if that's okay for me to receive this healing right now and release the frustration from my body, from my energy, and from my field. And if it's a yes, say yes out loud and say yes, I am open to receive. I take a deep breath in and breathe out. And now I want you to think about whatever has been frustrating you. Maybe something isn't happening quickly enough. Maybe someone isn't behaving the way you want them to. Maybe you trying and nothing seems to move. Notice what happens inside your body when you think about it. And instead of trying to fix the situation right now, just breathe. Breathe into it. Breathe into the frustration. Frustration often comes when reality isn't matching the picture we have in our mind. Like, it should be happening already. They should understand me. I should be further ahead. This shouldn't be happening. These are the words that frustration can bring. So I want you to notice the pressure inside those words. Should. And breathe it out. And instead, I want you to say, I release the pressure of how I think this needs to happen. And again, I release the pressure of how I think this needs to happen. And again, use your voice. I release the pressure of how I think this needs to happen. I release the need to force the outcome. I release the need to force the outcome. I release the need to force the outcome. And I want you to let your shoulders open and soft. I want your jaw to be unclenched. Relax your hands. And I want you to remind yourself that not everything needs to be solved in this moment. Not everything needs to be making sense today. And not seeing the movement doesn't always mean that nothing is moving. So ask yourself, what can I control right now? What can I control right now? What can I control right now? My breath, my thoughts, my choices, my next action, my energy. And what can I release? What can I release? What can I release? Other people's choices, timing, the exact path, everything outside of my control. And when you're ready, take a deep breath. And out. Feel the power entering your body. And say it out loud. I release what isn't mine to control. I release the need to force. I release the pressure to have everything figured out. I choose to work with life instead of fighting against it. And breathe. And out. Feel the space you've created. This is where you come back to your high frequency bubble. And it's not happening because you changed everything outside of you suddenly. But this is happening because you came back to yourself. You came back to safety, awareness, choice. This present moment. And that you are safe, that you can take the next step without knowing the entire path. And for now, that is enough. And you are enough. Congratulations on transforming your frustration.